New Toyota Venza 2023 redesign. Toyota presented the Venza a few years ago. But the first generation of Venza was injected to death 5 years ago. But now Toyota is reviving Venza. The 2023 Toyota Venza model will be launched in the United States market. Toyota Venza 2023 is a vehicle that offers an intuitive driving sensation. With claims of smooth acceleration, comfortable handling full of precision, low noise and vibration levels. All that sophistication is wrapped in a mesmerizing body design. What's new Toyota Venza 2023? Unlike the previous generation, Toyota now uses Harrier's platform, which is marketed in Japan. Coming with a new form, indeed this car offers many advantages, be it in terms of appearance, features, to the engine. Toyota Venza 2023 design. In terms of appearance, the new Toyota Venza 2023 looks preferred over the RAV4. Besides, the Cross has rich functions that are not available to its brother on the platform. Simultaneously, despite its larger dimensions, Venza lost its base model in the overall dimensions of passenger and cargo space. And the rich Cross display shows its high cost compared to the same RAV4. The 2023 Toyota Venza is a redesigned Harrier crossover and is available in the Japanese domestic market. Patenting the exterior of an SUV does not necessarily mean that the SUV will be sold in the market. But experts still rely on the appearance of Venza at dealerships in Russia. The network has yet to receive details on what trim levels could come to the Russian market and data on SUV cost estimates. The front face is filled with a combination of a wide lower grille and chrome ornaments transversely horizontally. The modern impression is seen from the sharp shape of the headlights and the air entrance that is not far below. Toyota Venza 2023 interior. Based on its dimensions, we expect the Venza cabin to be a little more spacious than the smaller RAV4 in terms of spaciousness. Venza offers the same muscular place with many bold shapes and angles. It also includes wide air vents, a flaming middle stack, a greased derailleur, a dashboard touchscreen, and plenty of surprisingly high-end materials. We anticipate no changes to the 2023 Toyota Venza cabin when entering the showroom. Toyota Venza 2023 has a 5-seater bench capacity with a luxurious-looking interior. This is inseparable from the use of quality materials and a combination of black and brown colors in the front cabin. The instruments on the dashboard are also well organized. No less attractive is the design of the center console that looks masculine. Toyota Venza 2023 engine performance. We're talking about a 2.5-liter hybrid engine with a capacity of 220 horsepower. Besides, the developer himself does not see any contradiction in this community from its two crossovers, since the RAV4 SUV is a starting point and standard that most other SUV representatives can equalize. Toyota Venza 2023 infotainment and connectivity. The 8.0-inch touchscreen is standard on the Venza and stands proudly atop the SUV dashboard. The larger 12.3-inch screen is optional on the XLE and standard on the Limited. No matter what display you choose, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa connectivity are all standard, as well as Sirius XM satellite radio. Upgrading to the larger of the two screens also opens navigation in the dashboard and adds a premium stereo system of JBL 9 speakers. Toyota Venza 2023 safety. They leveraged the TNGA-K platform to achieve the top NHTSA safety rankings. But they were also assisted by the usual Toyota Safety Sense, TSS 2.0, device. The full range of active safety systems includes pre-collision system with daytime pedestrian detection, daytime bicycle detection, PCS, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, DRCC. Continue lane departure alert with steering assist, LDA with SA, automatic high beams, AHB, lane tracing assist, LTA, and road sen assist, RSA. Toyota Venza 2023 price release. There is no sales date for Toyota Venza 2023 yet, but based on the previous release schedule, we expect to arrive in summer 2022. Prices are also unconfirmed for Venza 2023. Since no changes have occurred, we expect the MSRP to remain close to the current model price range of $40,645 to $45,975, including destination costs.